For this project, we will need a bowl and some dried lima beans. Place the lima beans in the bowl, and then cover the lima beans with water. We will leave the lima beans to soak for 24 hours. The next day, you'll notice the beans have grown bigger and are a little bit wrinkly. We are going to dissect these or take them apart to see the sections of a seed. The first thing we're going to do is remove the seed coat. The seed coat is the outside layer of the seed. It helps protect the seed while the seed is dormant or waiting to grow. Next, you'll notice that the seed splits easily into two halves. These two halves are called the cotyledons. The cotyledons store food to nourish the plant as it starts to sprout. These will also become the first leaves as it starts to grow. On the side of the seed, you'll find a small embryo or baby plant inside between the two cotyledons. This embryo will grow into the plant. You can see the end that will become the root and the end that will become the leaves as it sprouts. Iodine is poisonous to ingest and should only be handled by adults for this demonstration. Iodine will turn from light brown to a bluish black in the presence of starch. When we test the iodine on plain sugar, it stays light brown. When we test the iodine on flour, it turns blue-black. Add a few drops of the iodine to the cotyledons, the seed coat, and embryo to see what happens. The seed coats and the embryos stayed light brown. However, the cotyledons turned bluish-black from the iodine, indicating there is starch stored there. This starch is the energy the growing plant will use until it forms leaves and can start photosynthesis. We can sprout a seed by putting it between damp paper towels. As the seed sprouts, you'll see the stem and roots emerge from one end of the seed. At the other end, the stem and leaves start to appear. Here you can see the seed coat still clinging to the cotyledons. Here you can see the green cotyledons that served as the first leaves, with the first set of true leaves emerging above them. If you plant the seeds in the soil, you will see the leaves push themselves up through the soil as sprouts. Eventually, you have a thriving, growing bean plant. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.